Hello traders, have you ever wondered? Everyone is talking about how to make profits, but no one is really talking about how to protect the capital. Yeah, I know, right? Listen, no stop loss, over leveraging, all this has contributed to why 90% of traders have blown their accounts, including me. Yes, you might be shocked, right? Back in the days when I used to attempt my funded account, I used to wonder why I hardly go over the phase 1, phase 2, and I was suffering from risk management mistakes. I was over leveraging. I was putting my stop losses based on emotions, not based on where it's meant to be, right? Partly because I wanted more profit, right? Not thinking about how to protect the capital. Majority of you traders are on that part right now in your trading journey. All right, now that's why you need to join my mentorship class, because I have been through that part before, so I practically know what you're suffering from and how you can come out of that trading situation. Join the mentorship class starting from June, the 10th of June. My mentorship class, my online mentorship class is starting. All right, so you can join, so you can be in a community that cares about your journey. All right, so risk management mistakes is one of the biggest problems that traders are facing right now. All right, so that moves me to the next point. I've had some people ask me, what is the real way to succeed in Forex trading? Well, the truth is, Forex trading is a skill. Yeah, it's actually a skill. That's what a lot of people don't get to understand. Forex trading is a skill. It's something that takes time to be tested. It requires a system. Okay? It requires a series of mentorship and coaching. That you have made profit today did not guarantee the fact that you will make profit consistently throughout the remaining trades or throughout the remaining time of your trading in the month. So a lot of traders get to enjoy the beginner's luck effect. All right, it can take a week, it can take a month, but doesn't mean you are there. Do you understand? So if you're asking me the real way to succeed, it takes time, it takes structure, it takes a tested system, and most importantly, mentorship and coaches. Okay, so my advice is, if you stay consistent long enough, all right, you're gonna figure it out. But if you take any shortcuts, it's gonna cost you more at the end. So it's better you start gradually and build the right habits than profit. Go for performances, not skill. Give it time. Send this video to any trader you know. All right, be careful out there so you don't fall for this fake mentorship trap. A lot of people online right now, they are flashing you the lifestyle, not the skill. All right, you don't need the Lamborghinis, you don't need all those flashy stuff right now. What you need as a new trader is an environment that will give you clarity into the strategies and your technique as a trader. What you need is results. What you need is a good mentorship. Okay, I know this one hurts, but I'll just have to say it the way it is, because yeah, at some point we almost missed it. All right, and these are one of the things I saw that is happening right now in the online space. Send this video to any trader you know that needs it. Okay, trading is a journey. That's why every professional will ask you, how is your trading journey? It's a journey. It's not something you just achieve in one day, but you will know when you reach your aha moment. All right, so that's why I tell you, join our mentorship course coming up next month. All right, next month, June, we're starting up our mentorship class. So let's grow with you, let's grow the community with you, right? So see you in my next video. It's the King's Crown Academy, and I remain your boy, the Executioner FX. Peace out. Strategy without understanding. Let's be honest. A lot of traders right now are trading patterns they don't even understand. If you don't know what liquidity is, if you don't know what market structure is, man, that means you just put in your entries. You're placing your entries based on educated guesses. Educated guesses. And this will lead you to more losses. Trading without understanding. This is what a lot of traders are facing right now. They don't even have proper guidance on how to go about it. Alright? So, I want you to take note of this. If you're a beginner trader, you're looking for a proper way to go about the market, you need a mentorship program. You need a mentor. A mentor is different from a tutor. Alright? So, you need someone that can walk you through the way, someone that will understand your trading journey, not just about profit. And that is what we offer here at the King's Crown Academy. Alright? So you can join the next month mentorship program coming up in June. Classes are already going on. It's an online classes, a beautiful community I set up for you guys. You can click on the link here on the screen. It's going to take you straight right into my mentorship program. Alright? It's going to start from next month. Okay? And then you mix up with other traders. We have a community of traders that you can talk to, share your journey as it's going. Alright? Most of your online tutors, they are not even available. You can't even call them. They don't even know how your journey is going. They just take your money, everybody just go. No. Alright? So this is what we offer here at the King's Crown Academy. And don't forget, like and share this video. Send it to any newbie trader you know.